Hello, this is Sagarika Suresh Thapa here with the Legal Time. Today here we have Advocate B. Kumar Jain.
Hi.
So a very warm welcome to you to our channel. So we being a law student, we have many questions. So first of all, I want to ask you how to study law, how to become a successful lawyer, sir.
Yes, Ms. Sarika, first of all, I should thank you for calling me here to explain the most important topic, like how to study law.
Yes, sir.
Because whenever we get enrolled in a law college, okay, studying law is very different from studying other professional courses. Okay, the first important thing which a law student should consider is the academic studies. No student can afford to skip the academic study. This is very important part for any law student. The second thing is planning the time. Okay, we have law 5 years, we have law 3 years, okay, which is divided in different semesters. All right, each semester plays the same important role in a law for a law student. Like we cannot say that at this point of time we cannot say that we want to become a criminal lawyer, or we want to become a civil lawyer, or we want to become a corporate lawyer. This is not the right time to decide, okay, what we want to be. So a student should put the time which he had accordingly to each and every subject. All right, so this is how they can get they can have the expertise, all right, in all the subjects. So as if what is more important is planning the time. And syllabus and recommended books are also important, because the syllabus which are prepared, the syllabus are being prepared with deep thoughts, all right, and this syllabus makes a student to face the challenges which they face once they get into the bar. And recommended books, yes, many of the students, what the law student do, because whenever we get into law, the first thing which we have is like big books with thousands of pages inside. So what I would suggest to each and every law student is that there is no shortcut to any success. Recommended books should be read by the student, because that gives much understanding about the course and the contents of the subject.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can you kindly elaborate it?
Yes, look, if you ask me about how to study law, we have one more important aspect, that is case study. When we get into law studies, okay, we get through the cases. Cases are one of the most important part, cases are the most important way to understand law. And the case study gives you the understanding of the applicability of the law, all right, and to what extent the section is applicable, because reading a section doesn't make you understand where is the applicability of the law, all right. And when you read the case, all right, it gives you the understanding that how exactly these sections applies in which situation.
Okay, so sir, thank you very much. So sir, how to make a good notes?
Yes, when we say that we are going to the recommended books, it's obvious, like the recommended books, it contains thousands of pages, all right. So when we read books, all right, this is very important to make notes, all right, because when our semester exams come, all right, so we cannot afford to read the entire book. So when we have the notes prepared, it helps us to understand the topic in a very quick way, and this way we can secure good marks.
Okay, so the last question is, which I want to know is, so how does the court work?
Yes, this is very important question, like how exactly the court work. Okay, like we must be when you say, since you are a law, you know how the court works. This doesn't work like a Hindi movie, all right. Okay, it doesn't work like a Hindi movie. We have procedure in the court, we have a civil procedure, we have criminal procedure. Alright, okay. For civil cases we have civil procedure, alright, by which the court works, the court function, and for criminal we have criminal functions, alright, for we have CRPC, alright. So the court, you cannot simply go inside the court and say whatever you want. The procedures has been made, alright, and that we have to follow. Alright, and apart from this, like also I would suggest you, alright, the most important part, okay, if you want to study law, you should never study law under any pressure. Alright, you don't have to study law because your family or your parents they want you to study law. You should study law only when you want to study law. Law is not about reading it. Law is all about understanding.
Okay. So thank you very much, sir, once again. So here we have Mr. Bishwa Kumar Jain with us and explaining what does it takes to become a good lawyer. So sir, we are very thankful once again from the legal team to take out precious time from your busy schedule for our law aspirants.
Yes, and Sarika, once again, thank you very much for letting me speak on such an important topic.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving knowledge to us. And here, this is Sagarika Thapa here, and please subscribe our channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you.